Alright guys, if you want to create multiple Instagram accounts and you don't know how to do it, into this video I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple Instagram accounts. And trust me, this is the same method I use in creating multiple Instagram accounts. And till today I've not been blocked, I've not been banned, so it means this method is working. So I'm going to be exposing you to a tool that will help you create multiple Instagram accounts without any restrictions, as much as you're willing to follow the instructions in this video. So for today's video guys, we are going to be working with Proxy Seller. This is one of the best proxy platforms you can be getting cheap proxies from, and that can be used in creating multiple accounts on several social sites of your choice. So much more to using Proxy Seller, we are also going to be integrating this with another browser that's going to be helping us link both together so we don't have issues when creating multiple accounts on Instagram. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we have to do is to purchase our proxies directly from Proxy Seller. And for you to do that, all you need to do is to watch me. Okay, so once you have your account, you should be having this dashboard looking like this, and right here you want to come over to the proxy for, all right, this particular place, and you're going to be having the social media tab being displayed. You want to click on that right here, and you want to select proxy for Instagram. It's that simple. And once you click on that, it's going to open up a new tab, and basically this is where you're going to be finding all the offers and the pricing for all available IPs that would work on Instagram. And you can see, if you go to the site, you're going to be finding up to 750 IPs. I mean, that's amazing, right? But for me, I'm just going to be sticking with this one that has to do with 5 IPs, and I can get to select how long the duration at which I want to have this IPs working for. So I'm going to be selecting 1 week just for the purpose of this video, right? I'm going to select 1 week, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on buy now. Okay, and right here, this is where you're going to be checking out on the IPs or the proxies you're going for. So make sure you are getting exactly what you want. And once you are done right here, you're going to come right to the payment section. So right here on the payment section, you have quite a number of methods you can use in purchasing your proxies, and that's why I would always prefer Proxy Seller compared to so many other proxy sites. Why? Because you have the advantage of choosing a different payment method. Some of these proxy providers don't give you the leverage of choosing to pay or purchase proxies with PayPal, with crypto, and so many other ones like that. So please just go ahead and selecting your preferred method of making purchase. So for me, I'm going to be working with my balance because I have $10 already on my balance. So I'm just going to select balance. So they are going to be removing the charges for those IPs directly from my account balance. Then I'm going to click on submit the order. And once you do that, you can see it's simple. It says thank you for making payments. And within few minutes, you're going to be having them delivered to you. You can see how simple and how easy it is for you to purchase proxies directly from Proxy Seller. All right guys, so you should also make sure to check your mails. Okay, you can see I got a mail from Proxy Seller saying that my order has been confirmed. And if I rush back to my account and I come right here to my profile and I go to the orders tab, if I click on that, you're going to be finding I have all my IPs delivered. You can see this actually didn't take up to a minute, and Proxy Seller has delivered all our IPs. I paid for 5, and you can see I have all 5 right here. And mind you guys, if you click on this particular icon right here, you're going to be finding more information about each and every of those IPs, such as their ports for HTTPS. The port for SOX5 is also here. We have the login details, and we also have the password. So quickly, I'm going to head over to Flash ID. This is the anti-detect browser I use for creating an account and managing them, and I'm going to be clicking on create a new one. And for this, I'm going to be giving those profile a name. So I'm just going to say Instagram profile 1. I think this is good for me. And for the proxy, I'm just going to click on add the proxy, and right here where it's asking me to input my host port, I'm going to rush back to my Proxy Seller dashboard, and right from here I'm going to be working with the first one. So I'm going to click on copy this one exactly. I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come back right to Flash ID. I'm going to input that, and right here where it's asking me to input my port. So right here, because I'm currently working with SOX5, I'm going to come right here and I'm going to copy the port for SOX5. Please make sure you pay attention to that. Don't use the port for HTTPS on SOX5. You might have issues doing that. And I'm going to come back right here and I'm going to input that. And right here where it's asking me for the username, I'm going to come back right here and I'm going to click on this particular icon, and you can see I have my login username right here, which is going to be the email address you used in signing up, creating an account, and also purchasing your proxies. So I'm going to work with that one. For the password, I'm going to copy my password and I'm going to input my password right here. Now, Flash ID basically has a detector that can help you check if the proxies you're working with is actually a valid one. And how do you do that? It's simple. Once you've been able to input all of the details you want to input, you want to come right here to the IP2 location checker and you want to click on check. And once you click on check, you should be having this little green notification. All right, once this appears, it means your proxies are basically valid and they are working just fine. And I'm going to click on create. And you can see we have a new Instagram profile already created. Then I'm going to click on start this profile. Okay, and now once I have this profile started up already, then I should also do something to verify that the proxies I got from proxy seller is actually valid. Then I'm going to be using an IP checker on this particular Chrome profile. So this is actually two double checker. All right, and I'm going to be making use of this particular one right here. And once I open this right here, guys, we have this displaying our IP for us. You can see the location. You see the IXP is the Diamond IP Brokers, and you can see the service is the data center. And if you look closely, the region is the New York, the city is also New York City, and the country is the United States of America. So it means that proxy seller did a good job providing us with proxies that works just fine. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to come right to a new tab and I'm going to click on Instagram.com. I'm going to search for this, then I'm going to proceed with clicking on create a new account. And right from here, I can proceed in creating a brand new Instagram account. Many a time, the reason why so many of you have issues trying to create multiple Instagram accounts is because Instagram is getting to detect that you guys are using the same location, the same everything looks the same. So you need to always change that, and you can do that by always rotating your IPs. And with proxy seller, we were able to get 5 different IPs that can be used in creating 5 different profiles on Instagram. So now that you understand the whole trick, proxy seller is one huge platform where you can get proxies for whatever reasons you need a proxy for. So if you want to get access to proxy seller, use the link down below to create a free account, and you can also use the coupon code to get huge discounts when trying to purchase proxies on proxy seller. So if you have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comment section below and I'll do well to answer your question. I'm going to be making more videos on proxy seller, so if you want to see content like this, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you there. Bye.